Right, so we've had a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. So because two of the Canon selfies don't work at all. I've got a refund on one and I just need to process the refund on another. So what we got here is last unboxing, and will be one of the challenges, and one of the challenges will be to create a portfolio or something like that, yeah, using APS film. So get rid of that rubbish. Okay, here we go. Oh, and something else that I've got from UPG24, brilliant camera sellers. Let's move that there. Right, so this it's got a nice smell to it. Right, here we go. So we have the book, the Canon EOS 1X7 Lite. Yeah, we've got the receipt, and here we have the camera. So what's this in here? Right, so that can go in the bin. It smells lovely. It smells of the the washing. Oh, get me into that. Right, so let's just get this open. Yeah, so one challenge will be to shoot on 35mm, one will be medium format, and one will be APS. So, look how cute and compact that is. Right, now this is so I'll give you an example. So I went to shoot at the Spurs ground the other day, and ooh, interesting. You got battery in. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. No batteries. However, I do have the batteries. Did it take two? Right, so let's have a look. I'm sure it takes these ones. And the good thing about this as well is it uses which way round is it? Is it this way around or that way around? Here we go. Two CRVs. 1, 2, lock. Oh, on straight away. Good. Right. Canon. I'll use this one. Oh yeah. So I've got a lens here. Let's take that off. Might be too close inside. Take the lens cap off. Put the lens cap on my Mark II, which is my beautiful camera. Beautiful. Right. Look at that. So this would have saved me in the match because it's small. Right, so let's have a look. Right, it's on. Some manual. It's autofocus. Oh, it looks beautiful for here. Oh, what a camera. Right, so let me just turn this off for a second. It's like a small version of the 550. Right, so let's not use such a big lens. Let's use a smaller lens. Let's move Bumblebee. And let's move that. Let's move this battery. Move this MD4 drive. And let's get out my 1DX. Right, so let's take the lens off the 1DX. Put this lens onto the 1DX. Okay, put that back there. good. Now, put this lens onto there. I don't quite get that satisfying click. Ready? There you go. Right, now let's switch it on. Auto. Date. Perfect. Perfect. Now, let's just try it on manual. There we go. Manual. Right, let's change the... Oh, yeah, so you just use this, look. Oh, wow. Canon were way ahead of their time. 0.002 of a shutter speed on such a small little camera. Oh, it's in focus as well. That's amazing. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Check that out. Now, this is what I should have took with me to the Spurs ground, because I would have at least been able to have got some good images. Gutted. Right, so my challenge now is to find a screwdriver to get inside here, because this is what's the problem. It won't eject the bloody cartridge, which I think they're selling new because he refunded me straight away, so I need to take that off. Some madness, but it switched on and everything, so it's annoying. But anyway, listen, like and subscribe, yeah, and I'm gonna try and get this fixed. But this is a gem, absolute little gem. Perfect.